Is your Honda Civic key fob failing to unlock the doors? This is a common problem, especially in 2016-2021 models. The most common issue is a weak battery. Replace the CR232 battery in your fob. This is a quick and cheap fix. Next, try resynchronizing the fob. This involves cycling the ignition or using a reset button. Check your owner's manual for details. If these steps don't work, the problem may lie in the microswitch, actuator, or require BCM reprogramming. We'll cover those now. If battery replacement and resynchronization don't solve the unlock issue, the microswitch inside the key fob may be worn out from extensive use. You can attempt a DIY replacement using online guides and a new switch for around $10. Another potential issue is a failing door lock actuator, particularly prevalent in humid climates where corrosion can occur. This is a more involved repair best left to professionals. A good long-term option is switching to digital keys available in newer Civic models. These use smartphone apps for keyless entry, reducing reliance on physical key fobs. Regularly checking and maintaining your key fob can prevent future issues. For modern Civics, explore phone-based digital keys. These steps can help avoid problems, especially with aging hardware.